Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rifqi Fadhilah Rangkuti. Today I will explain about four assignment from Mr. Burhan, and is on number one is a manufacturer producer two models of racing bike in C of which must be processed through to machine shop. Machine shop 1 is available for 120 hours and blah 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 blah. And okay, maybe you can see the question here, and we can conclude from the question here, and we must suppose bike B is X and bike C is Y, and from the question is machine shop is work 120 hours per month and machine shop 2 180 hours per month. And from the question, we got x higher or equal to 0 and y higher or equal to 0. And we got the persamaan linearnya. 6x plus 4y is less than or equal 120 and is a persamaan pertama, and 3x plus 10y less than or equal to 180 is persamaan yang kedua. So we must suppose that no, we change the x to the 0 and y to the 0, so we can get this. Y is 30 and x is 20, and we do the same for the 3x plus 10y equals 180. We use x to 0 and y is 0 too, and we got the x is 60 and y is 18, and we eliminate 6x plus 4y equals 180, 3x plus 10y equals 180, and in this case we must menyamakan salah satu x atau y-nya. So we times the top is times 1 and the bottom is times 2, and we got the 6x plus 4y equals 120 and this, and we minus them. So 6x minus 6x is 0, for y minus 20y is minus 16, and this we get minus 240, and we get the minus 240 divided by minus 16 is 15, and we substitute that y to this persamaan linear. So 6x plus 4 times 15, and we get this, and x is 10. So we get the x 10 and y is 15, and we get the graphic. This graphic is for 30 and 20, this, and this graphic is for 3x for plus 10y, and we get the titik tengahnya, and this is daerah penyelesaiannya, and we get the profit is 180x plus 220y from the question. We use the 20 and 0 and 018. Kita memasukkan angka 120,0 ke dalam 180x plus 220y ke semua yang ada di sini, and we got the max profit is 5,100. Okay, let's go move to the number 2 question. An Italian restaurant offers a choice of pasta or pizza meals. It costs $3 to make a pasta dish, which it sells for $13. And blah 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 blah. And from the question, uh, we suppose pasta is X and pizza is Y. And cost for the pasta is $3 and cost for pizza is $2. And profit from the pasta is they sell pasta $13 and they make it $3. So 13 minus 3 is $10. And pizza they sell it $10 and they make it costs $2. So the profit for pizza is $8. So we get the x and y, 10x plus 8y, and we get the first linear is from this case 3x plus 2y less than or equal to 3000, and we get the another linear is supposed to not one. Typo. And we just like a number one, we test we using zero to this persamaannya untuk mendapatkan titik koordinat these two persama linear, and we move to the this we move and we get to eliminate them is 3x plus 2y equals 3000 and x plus y equals 1200. We must make the same uh, or x or y, so we times them, and top we times 1 and the bottom we times 3, so we get this 3x plus 2y equals 3000, 3x plus 3y equals 3600, and we get minus 3 equals minus 600 and y is 600, and we substitute y to x plus y equals 1200. So we get the x is 600 and we get x and y is 600. So we make the graphic 1000 and 1500 is 3x plus 2y less or not or equal to 3000, and 100 and 200 is x plus y less than or equal 120. So we get the titik tengah is 600 and 600. We get the titik coordinate to 1000 and 0 and 0 and 1200. And we search for profit is 10x plus 8y. At the beginning we search first and we use the coordinate to kita masukkan koordinat ini ke dalam x atau y, jadi mengubah x ini dengan koordinat 0 ataupun y dengan 1200. So we get the maximum profit is 10,800. So the number 3 is a small manufacturer produce two kinds of goods A and B for which demand exceeds capacity. The production cost for each item of A and B are $6 and $3 respective, and the corresponding selling price are $7 and $4. And we suppose the goods A is X and goods B is Y, and from the question we get price cost A is $6 and B is $3, and selling price for goods A is $7 and selling price for B is $4, and X higher or or equal to 0 and y is higher and or equal to 0, and from the question we got transport cost A is 0.2 and B is 0.36, and we got the first persamaan linear is 6x plus 3y less than or equal to 1700, and we got the second persamaan linear is 0.2x plus 0.3y less than or equal to 120. Like the other question, we using 0 to x and y to get the coordinate, so we get the 400 and 450 and 900 for coordinate persamaan linear pertama, and we got the 600 and 400 for persamaan linear yang kedua, and we eliminate the persamaan linear tersebut. we kita menyamakan salah satu penyebutnya itu maupun x ataupun y, so we get the 6x plus 3y equals to 2700, and 2x plus 3y equals 1200, and we get to minus them is we get the 4x equals to 1500 and x is 375, and we substitute x to 6x plus 3y equals 2700, and we get the y equals is 150, and we get the coordinate 375 and 150. So we make this graphic for apa 450 and for x and 900 for y is to 6x plus 3y less than or equal to 2700, and 600 and 400 is from the 0.2x plus 0.3y less than or equals 120, and we get the mid of dot, titik tengahnya itu 375 or 105 and 150, and we got the another coordinate is to search a profit is 0 and 400 and 450 and 0, and profit for to search a profit we get the 1x plus 1y or just x plus y, and kita masukkan koordinat tadi ke x plus y tadi, so we get the 0 400 is 400 and 450 is 450 and 375 and 150 is 525, and that is the max of profit for number 3, and I think that's all from me. Forgive me if I'm wrong or I'm not good to speak in English. I'm still learning, and thank you for watching, and thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.